Hey y'all, Diamond Painting Cajun here. How are y'all doing today? I have an unbagging for y'all. It's a PR package by GBFKE, and I'm gonna go through them and show y'all what I got. First, I want to say welcome to my channel. My name is Debbie. I'm Diamond Painting Cajun, and if you're new here, welcome. If you are returning, welcome back. I'm just gonna get right down to it. Well, before I get down to it, I want to tell y'all, thank y'all for watching my channel. I really appreciate it, and all you subscribers and everybody that helps. Really appreciate y'all. I have over 500 and something subscribers. Y'all are awesome. Just letting y'all know y'all awesome. And I'm so thankful and blessed to have you guys. So let's get down to it. With that said, this first one is a round drill, 30 by 40 centimeter. You get your basic toolkit with it. And it's kind of wrinkled, but it is a 30 by 40, and it's a spring gnome. Y'all, look at these colors. Oh my God, I love it. Look at that. Look at the colors on that thing. It's so stinking cute. Here's the thumbnail. I love it. It's cute. It has a legend on the top left and the bottom right. And let me see if it has the DMC codes. It does have the DMC codes on each side. So it does. And I'm going to show y'all the stick. But look how cute, y'all. So cute. The rendering is good as well. Look at the drill field is clear. And it is a round drill. It's $5.24 the last time I checked it. So it is so stinking cute. I love it. And let's check the stick on it. The stick is awesome on it for sure. Let me kind of fix it. I love it. It's cute. Oh my God. And purple. I love purple and pink. Y'all know purple and pink's my favorite colors. Y'all know I like purple and pink. Y'all, I can't wait to do this one. I really want to do it. This is going to be my in-between project. In between those big ones. So I'm going to have to straighten it out first, because it's kind of lumpy. But here it is again, spring gnome, and it says welcome. Look how cute. It has some lavender plants, butterflies. Look at that. It's so stinking cute. I love it. Really love it. I hope y'all can see the drill field, because it's really clear. It doesn't look like it's confetti heavy. It's not confetti heavy. This is going to be the perfect thing to work on in between the big ones. I love it, y'all. So cute. We're going to move on to the next one. Oh, how about I show y'all the drills? The drills are round, and these are the colors. I don't know if y'all could... Oh, God. I don't know what my camera's doing here. I hope y'all could see them. My camera's trying to focus. Hello. Okay, can y'all see that? There's a lot of purples. A lot of purples, beige. A lot of different, like maroons, pinks. I hope y'all could see that. My camera doesn't want to focus, and I hate that. So I'm going to hold it right here so y'all can see. Y'all, I don't know what's the deal. There y'all go. I hope y'all can see this. It's so annoying. I want it to be clear, you know, so y'all can see it. But those are the basic colors. A lot of purples and stuff. Like a mauvey, I don't know, burgundy-ish color. So those are the drills for it. Now we're going to do the next one. And like I said, that one is called Purple Spring Gnome. It's a full round drill and it was $5.24 on their website. And that's GBFKE. This one also is a 30 by 40 centimeter round drill. Comes with a toolkit, basic toolkit. Round drills, of course. I'm gonna show y'all those in a minute. Let me fold this back though because it's so this one's a little stiffer. The canvas is a little bit stiffer than the previous one. So this is an elephant with glasses with flowers. Y'all, look at this thing, how cute. I freaking love it. I've been wanting it. I've seen a few unboxings of it and I've been wanting it, so I did pick it out because I think it's precious. So cute. I love it. It has the it is a 30 by 40 centimeter and it has the legend on the top left, bottom right. The drill field is clear. It is a round. And this one, I'm not sure how much this one was because I don't have the price down. I'm sorry, guys. But I'll link everything in the description portion of this video so y'all can go check it out. Look at the drill field. It's clear. I love it. These, a lot of color blocking right here. Kind of some confetti. A little bit of confetti right here. But overall, I love it. It's the perfect mixture. I love the red flowers and the daisies. I think this is daisies. So cute. They do have the DMC codes on the side. DMC, come on. This camera's cutting up. DMC portion. I mean side. On the side. Hello. Yo, this camera's making me crazy. Driving me bonkers. Look how cute it is. It's so cute. Let's check the stick on it. Crazy camera. It's like it's trying to focus. Keep trying to focus. It's driving me crazy. Because I did try something new on it. Well, obviously I don't like it. Did not work for me. I'm going to be going through all that mess. It's kind of wrinkly, y'all. I'm trying to kind of smooth it out a little bit. And I'm going to test the drill field and show y'all the drills for it. It's like wrinkly a lot. That's better. Okay, so the drill field is sticky, as y'all can see. Very sticky. They have, it's a lot of color blocking. They do have a little bit of confetti like right in here. These portions right here. A little bit here. I mean, here too. But it's really not bad. It's overall, it's not that bad. It's fine. It's gonna be fine. And it's called elephant. Well, I call it elephant with glasses. And it's a 30 by 40 centimeter. Here's the thumbnail. Y'all can see that. Drill field is clear. And the drills for it. These, oh, they got some cute colors. They got a lot of reds, grays, a lot of reds and grays, obviously. One coral color. I don't know, it looks coral. It's so cute, though. These are some cute colors. I don't know what's up with this stupid thing. It's trying to catch my face. These are the colors. It does come in plastic baggies. So cool. Y'all can see they're numbered and everything else. but really, really cute colors. Lots of reds, different shades of grays, maroons, very cute colors. Oh, that one's cute too. And we have one more. This one is also a 30 by 40 centimeter and a full round drill. It was $5.24 for this one. Comes with a basic toolkit. I'm gonna roll it backwards so we can get some straightness going on. See which way go. And this is a hummingbird. Y'all, look at this. How cute. I love it. It's a hummingbird with flowers. I think those, I don't know, those are daisies. Y'all, look at this, how cute it is. They have a legend on the top left, legend on the top right, bottom right. And it does have the DMC codes next to them. So it does have those. The drill field is clear. The drill field is clear. Y'all can see that. It is a 30 by 40 centimeter. Yo, it's so stinking cute. I love it. Look at those flowers. Look at that hummingbird. He's flapping his wings. Oh God, it's so pretty. I love it. And y'all love hummingbirds and flowers. Y'all know. We're gonna check the stick on it. Stick is very good. Hurry up and do this real quick. Stick is good. It looks to have, it doesn't have a whole lot of confetti at all. It's a lot of color blocking. Some confetti, not much confetti at all. Yeah. So I hope everybody's doing good and your families are good. These are the drills for it. They're round drills. God, this thing's killing me. Round drills, the color of the drills are they have a lot of colors. Pinks, light pinks, aquas, aqua green, mint green, a darker pink. Those are the colors. Yo, okay. I tried this new thing, but it's not working out. I'm not doing it again on my camera. Anyway, these are the colors. The drills seem to be, have flat backs. I mean, you're always going to have some drills that are not perfect, you know. But overall, these are nice drills. Yeah, nice, nice, nice. I don't know what the deal is with this thing. I really like them. But I really like this painting too, y'all. It's so cute. I'm going to show y'all all three of them again. This is a hummingbird with flowers. Let me catch the other two. The elephant. I love this elephant, y'all. It's so stinking cute. And the gnome. This one, y'all know I'm doing it because I like lavender. I like gnomes and I like purple. Mostly because it's purple. Love, love, love it. So cute. I can't wait to see how this is going to turn out. I would like to put some pretty ABs maybe in the sign, in the welcome portion. And maybe in the flowers. I don't know. But that's gonna do it for this video. I want to thank all you guys for watching. I hope y'all all are well and all y'all families are well. Thank y'all for watching my channel, and everything that's in this video will be linked in the description portion of this video. And thank y'all for watching. Bye guys, love y'all.